This is how fast and easy it is to set up your very own software store with the Software Store Creator. So all you do is take the files and you upload them to your website, to your hosting account and your website. Then after they've been uploaded, you go to your website address and then you put a slash and the word install. That brings you up to the license agreement. Accept the license agreement and click continue. And that will bring you to the pre-install page that lets you know that everything is all set and ready to go. Then all you have to do is click continue. Then you're going to enter your database information here. For security reasons, I'm not going to display all that right here, but you enter all that information, you click continue, and it will bring you up to the finished page, and that is it. You can log into your online store and go ahead and look at that, or you can log into your admin panel right here. So if we go ahead and click through to our online shop, this is exactly what we get. Our store is completely up and running. Now all we're going to need to do is import the products, if you have extra products, and edit some settings to make sure that you get paid and that your list gets built. And that is it. In just a matter of a few minutes, you can get your very own software store up and running. I'm going to give you a quick tour so you can see exactly how awesome the software store that you're going to be able to create is. So once it's installed, this is what the actual storefront looks like. You can see you've got a great menu across the top. It's a very responsive, fluid looking, beautiful sort of store theme. You have a customizable logo, a search box, the shopping cart, a customizable menu up here. You have all your social sharing icons, an opt-in newsletter sign-up form. Then you have your feature area where you can customize this to say anything you want about your particular store. You have all of your special sections down here so people can sort their products by special offers, most viewed, featured, and the latest added. You can see each of the product displays here. When you roll over it, it shows a little bit more detail, and then if you were to click on it, it will actually pull up the full product page, and it will show the person any kind of reviews that have been done, any other details that you put about it. Allows them to add it to the cart. You got the categories over here on the right hand side, your description down here, reviews of the product. If you want to add any custom tabs, that's all there. And then on the right hand side there are the category links, and then there's banner space where you can put affiliate products to make even more money. You can advertise anything you want, or you could put just banner signs like this if you're offering like a special deal. You can have it list special products here that might be complimentary sells to make additional sales as well, and that's what the actual product pages look like. So people can just click on them to add them to the cart. And then when you get below the products, you've got your testimonial feature here that will automatically scroll and show any of the additional testimonials that you've collected and that you've added to your site. You have an About Us or a customizable section that you can put whatever you want. Then you have a Twitter feed where you can put your live Twitter feed to keep people updated and gain new Twitter followers. And then as we scroll down to the bottom, you have the newsletter and the social sharing again, and then a bunch of menu items where you can put whatever you want. So you can see that it's a really high-end, beautiful store. And what's great about this is it's actually totally customizable. You can change anything you want about the menu in terms of the order or what's there. You can go ahead with the banner and change to 5 different theme colors for that and the buttons. You can actually add other sections like slideshow that I don't have active right now. You can move sections around, and it's all point and click easy. If you wanted the testimonials to be at the top, for example, you can reorder them and put them at the top. And it only takes 1 or 2 mouse clicks to do each of the changes. So let's flip over and take a look at the back end for a second so you can see exactly what it looks like. When you log into the admin panel of your store, this is the dashboard. So it's going to give you a summary of all your stats and then all of your menu items. There's tons of customization options, way too many to go through on this video, but I'll just highlight a couple things. So you can add as many categories as you want, as many products as you want. You can actually add different attributes. So if you want to sell physical products that come in different shapes or sizes or colors, you can add all of that. You can add the downloads for digital products, so your store handles the orders for customers all the way through from start to finish, from the time the person adds things to the cart to the making the payment to getting the downloads. It's all included in there. You can manage your customer reviews right here, your product reviews. You can add those if you want. If we just click on one of these links, you can see what the product link looks like. You can see you can add whatever you want to the store. You can sell physical products, digital products, whatever you want. In terms of extensions, these are different things to actually add to the store. So we'll go into the modules, but just so you're aware, there's a shipping module, there's a payment module. If we click on that real quick, you can see there's a ton of different payment methods that you can accept. All you have to do is enable them and enter the correct settings, and you're all set there. If I click on modules, you will see in the modules there are tons of different options here. You can enable all kinds of different things and you can edit them. So when you click on any of these, if you want to edit the menu, if you want to edit the theme, you can actually create your own blog inside the store and everything else. You can manage your testimonials. It's all point and click simple. Your sales reports and management is in here, and then you have some system settings, design with layouts and banners, and then your reporting is all right here. So you can see this is a full-fledged e-commerce store. It looks fantastic, it runs fantastic, and it really makes you look like a legitimate player right from day one. That's why Software Store Creator is the most awesome piece of software available.